To be fair, I've had a bit of a journey with Chwarae Teg over the last 4 years, and it's been totally mind-boggling and life-changing for me. And it sounds a little bit corny, but I applied for an award which I never thought I would get. We went to this most amazing awards night, which you know, you've got to go to, even if you just go to experience it. It was amazing. You had all these amazing and wonderful women, and we had such a great night. And then to actually win an award was me, and honestly couldn't describe it. I was like, me, I sell safety boots and hard hats. How, you know, when you've got some women that were treating cancer, and I was like, blimey, Rhian from Workplace Work Safe in Ruthin, who sells safety boots, has gone and won an award. And it actually gave me confidence of what we do, and actually, you know, okay, it's not glamorous what we do here, but it's actually a really good job that we do here, and we do make a difference in our own little way.